carscoops.com/2025/07/new-GLC-ev-will-hit-like-the-face-of-a-classic. Chris Chilton. July 12, 2025. Mercedes has revealed the new GLC EV will have air suspension and a 404+ mile range. CEO Ola Kalinius claims the Grille is a techie update of a classic 1960s Mercedes nose. Fast-charging electric SUV can tow 5,300 pounds and add 162 range miles in 10 minutes. We're only 2 months out from the electric GLC's debut at the Munich Auto Show, and Mercedes is on the teaser offensive. As he did with the CLA and electric G-Class, CEO Ola Kalinius has taken a camouflaged prototype of the compact SUV for a spin and dropped a couple of interesting spec details in the process. One detail we now know is that the first model to launch will be called the GLC 400-4MATIC with EQ technology, following the somewhat clunky trend started by the electric G-Class. Kalinius also revealed the 400 can add around 162 miles, 260 kilometers, of electric range in just 10 minutes thanks to its ability to charge at over 320 kilowatts. 800V architecture and practical charging solutions. Mercedes itself dropped some other factoids, including that a converter allows the 800-volt SUV to hook up at more common 400-volt charging stations. Surprisingly, that was not possible with the first examples of the new CLA sedan, though a fix for them is in the works. Kalinius performs a standing start in the GLC, and while he doesn't give out power or performance figures, he implies that the acceleration is the kind that you'd expect from a Mercedes-AMG GT, which suggests a sub-4-second 0 to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour time. Design cues with classic inspiration. When it comes to the front-end design, however, the CEO reckons the GLC takes its lead from much older Mercedes models. He waxes lyrical about the huge grille on a classic 300 SEL 6.3 and claims we'll see elements of the same design when the covers come off the GLC in September. It's a future techie interpretation of that iconic Mercedes style, he says of the new car's grille. The SEL isn't only on hand to drop styling clues, but to demonstrate the GLC's towing ability. Mercedes says it can tow a 5,300 pounds, 2,400 kilograms, brake trailer, which betters the Porsche Macan Electric's tow rating by 880 pounds, 400 kilograms. Roomier cabin and smarter suspension. Interior packaging has also seen some changes. Mercedes confirmed the GLC EQ's wheelbase is 3.2 inches, 80 millimeters, longer than the 113.7 inches, 2,890 millimeters, of the current combustion GLC, which is good news for rear seat passengers, and there's more luggage space, too. The trunk swallows 20.1 CUFT, 570 liters, which is 0.7 CUFT, 20 liters, more than the ICE SUV, and can be extended to 61.5 CUFT, 1,740 liters, with the seats folded. And there's still 4.5 CUFT, 128 liters, of frunk space to add to that. The new GLC will feature air springs for maximum ride comfort, though only as part of an optional agility and comfort package that also includes 4.5 degrees of rear axle steering. Both of those tech solutions are also available on the Porsche Macan Electric, and we're looking forward to seeing how the two fare in the inevitable face-off next year.